Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I actually um, received a Sephora package today, and what I ordered was the um, what is it? Sephora. It's the Pat McGrath, the mini lust glosses. It's basically a lip gloss, but what I've been looking for was a gloss that doesn't look like glittery, because I just want to put it on my lips and I want them to be shiny. Because, like, if you could tell, right? So, like, my lip color is, like, kind of dark, and I feel like it just blends into my skin. I don't know how or why it's like that, but, like, do you see that? Like, it's not even, like, a pink, like, my lips are pink. It's, like, they're more of, like, it's, like, pink in the middle, and then it, like, fades to, like, a darkish pink, and then it's just brown. So it kind of just looks like my lips are, like, not separate. So I ordered these little things to see if they actually work good, to try it out. Oh, and then I got some samples, 'cause, bless Sephora with their samples. So I got this Diva Curl. I think it's like a cream to make your curls look better. I don't know. I've never tried this brand. I usually try the Briogeo. Right now I'm using what is it? I don't know. Oh, the custard one, the custard coil custard, something like that. But that's the one I use right now. It's super thick, but it holds your curls for like a week. I don't even wash my hair for like a long time. But I'll try this out. And then I got this like a scalp scrub. I think this is pretty cool. I don't know about it having salt in there though, because salt can create like microcuts, and then it gets filled with bacteria and all of that. And I don't know if the same one from the Scalp Revival from the Briogeo brand does the same thing, but I don't know. I'll try it out, see if my head gets more itchy. But okay, so we got that. I don't know. I don't like putting coconut oil in my hair. I used to because I heard it was so good, but then it made my head or my scalp really itchy, so I don't do that anymore. Okay. Oh, and then I got this free little beauty blender soap bar. I don't understand how you just rub your beauty blender on it. So here comes the little thing. Okay, there's one that looks kind of good, and I think it's that one. So let's just open this up. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, and this does go for $25. Yeah, for 3. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I don't want this glitter everywhere. Oh. Okay, this is gonna be a tough. I'm like, these glitters are like sticky. Okay, so they come like stuck all together, and then there's the little things. This collection is limited, so yeah, if you do want it. I saw this one girl's review. She said that these are kind of expensive. For a full-size one, it's like $28. For 3, you get 25. And Pat McGrath is kind of an expensive brand, so if you do want to try it out, these like mini kits are pretty good. I saw that they had the other what is it? The other things. Okay. I like looking at the ingredients and see. So let's see. I don't know most of these. There's synthetic wax. Yeah, I literally have no idea. The only thing I know in here is, yeah, they got a lot of crazy stuff. I don't even know what this is. Usually I can tell like what some of the stuff is, but I need to do more research on that. But yeah, let's try them out. So judging from just looking at them, the only one I see with glitter right now is the Bronze Temptation. Let's see, I'll put that there. And then I have the darker one, which is the Flesh 4. And then there's Flesh Fantasy. I don't know if you could tell, but there's like these little cracks. Yeah, there you go. There's like little cracks in it. I don't know if you just shake it up or you just like. Oh god. Okay, so it has that vanilla fragrance in it. Okay, so oh my god, it's so thick. Do you see that? It just like drips. Watch. It's kind of hot. Just kidding. But yeah. Where should I even do it? I'll do it like right here. No, I should do it right here, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna do, what is this? Flesh Fantasy first. Oh my god, there's glitter on my arm. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it right here on like my thumb part. I'm gonna scrape off the excess and then just swipe it. Okay, so there's that. Yeah, the little crack went away after I opened it, so I think it just has to be like moved around. Plus gloss, I think, is kind of thick. Oh, it's a thick one. Extra chunky. Okay, and then what is this one? Flesh 4. Oh, that one is dark. Well, I guess if you like. So this one has like a dirty dead rose kind of color. And then this is the one with like little pieces of gold in it. Oh god. Okay, and then I'll do that one on the top. Wow, that's pretty. So there's that one. This one is probably my favorite because it's the most sheer, which is just what I wanted. So right here I have the browner skin. Let me try to. It's crazy because like I look at YouTubers and they have like their lips are like their own color and then their skin is another color, and then there's just me with the same color skin on my lips. So I'm gonna be trying out the Flesh Fantasy one, and then see how it go. Every time. Oh my god, I need a mirror actually. Ooh, where's my phone? I guess you don't really need a mirror. Uh, uh, I think if you add a little bit over the Cupid's bow, gives it that nice shine right there. Let's see. Oh shit. Ugh, there's cat hair in it now. Okay. So there is that. Dang, it makes my lips look good. It's like lip injection without the needles and whatnot. I think I'm gonna. So my top lip is not. It's like whatever size, but I want to see if I add more to the top, how crazy it's gonna look. Yeah, look at that. So you just add a little bit on top. Let's see how it looks in person, though. Oh. Yeah, dude, they look good. Like that, I like that. Oh, what happens if I put this glittery one in the middle? I mean, I've never tried gloss. Oh, I tried one from Tarte. It was like my friend's. I think it was the shade Instant Famous. Insta Famous? Instant Famous? Yeah, but it was cool because it was like brown and then it had like blue sparkle in it, but I wouldn't wear that because I just want it to look like shiny, you know? I don't want it to look like it's all glossy. I mean, not glossy, but like glittery. Okay, let me put this in the middle. Ah! Ah! Stop! He's probably hungry. I don't know. You can't really see. I feel like you can tell more in person, but my lips look juicy as hell. Oh, mother of God. Oh, watch. Look at him. Right now, he was just attacking me. Watch. Look at him. Ah! Watch. Oh. I don't know. He's really mean. Huh? You're mean? Huh? Oh my God, he's staring at me. Why do I feel like he's about to jump? Ugh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! Oh God! Oh! Oh, that hurt! Oh. Well, I love these. It looks really good. So, yeah, my final thoughts is I think they're worth... Stop. You're getting me. Ah! Eh. Oh my God, the gloss got in his hair. Yeah, but I think it's good. If you want to try out her products, I definitely would get these. I think they're limited for a while. There's two kinds. There's a cool tone and a warm tone. I got the warm tone. The cool tone looked too like glittery. So this is a good one. I wonder what happens if you add it like as a highlight. Oh my God! Ah! Stop! Look at him, freaking demon. Well, my nose is already oily, so it already looks like I have a highlight on there. But oh my God, look at him. No, stop! Ah! Stop! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Stop! Stop! Ah! Ow! Ow! This is the abuse I get every day. Okay, I'm gonna go for the... Oh my God, stop, bird! I'm gonna go for the, what is it? Flesh Fantasy. And put a little bit on the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna get my finger and just... Oh, this feels so disgusting. Oh my God. I don't know, I can't really tell. Let me check. I mean, I don't know. I don't think it really does anything. Let me try to shine my phone light on it to see if it looks. Yeah, I mean, I guess, but I'd rather just put like a colored highlighter on, you know? I think those look better. Well, not look better, but I think they're cooler. So that's usually what I lean towards. But yeah, that's it for this review. It's gone too long and I'm not going to edit it. So yeah, see you guys later. Definitely recommend if you're looking for something a little bit more natural, I guess. The dark one is kind of like more colored. So, oh, you know what it reminds me of? This one, oh, wait, which one? This one kind of looks like, this is the, what is it? The Flesh Fantasy kind of looks like the Gloss Bomb. But I think the Gloss Bomb, I was looking for the Gloss Bomb color, but I was looking for it without glitter because I saw it had glitter in it. So I definitely recommend this one. This one is if you want it to show a little bit more. And then this one is if you're ever feeling like you want to go to a party and then you want gold in it, you know? But yeah, these are actually pretty cool. I'm glad I bought these. I hate buying like, look at them right there. But they feel waxy. Oh my God. Oh, say hello. But yeah, when you lick it, it feels really smooth. Like there's like the wax, like on your lips. So, You see that right there? Bam! Wow, looks so good. Maybe it would be used for a highlight. But yeah, that's it for this review. I'm glad you guys got to see me try these on, me get attacked by my cat. If you want to see more something like this, definitely follow my Instagram because I do want to be famous. I do want to sell stuff. I want to make money. Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter. What else is there? LinkedIn. I'm going to start a blog. I'm going to do everything. But right now, I have to mail my thing to, dude, that looks so good, actually. But I do want to mail my, I'm going to mail the winner from the Supreme Frost video. Oh, dang, look at my muscle. But I am going to mail the thing to the subscriber that won. I believe her name started with an L, so I'm going to be sending that today. But yeah. Oh, and I'm also going to be creating highlighters if anyone wants them. I just want to send them out for free so you guys can try them. So if you're down, hit me up on, what should you hit me up? Hit me up on Instagram, but you have to be following me on all my socials, and then I'll give you a free highlighter. We'll talk a little bit more back and forth, but we'll see what kind of shades you guys want. Yeah. Cool, guys. I will see you in the next video. Okay? Bye.